All right, for those of you that are dropping in a Coyote into an early 61 through 69 Lincoln, this is the way to go. This oil pan is specially fabricated to fit without cutting up the cross member. You can see it's very low profile, a lot of extra clearance versus the factory Gen 2 or Gen 3 pans. Are very well made, powder coated. You can see the difference here, how low profile it is, a lot of clearance here. Coming from the front towards the back, has the matching pickup screen, the dip tube, the braided tube. If you go over on the other side, has the provision here to thread in the tube. You have your oil drain holes. You have the threads here for the sensor. And I'll just bring over another oil pan here. This is Gen 3. You can see how big and bulky this is. It's composite, it's plastic, not nearly as nice as this other pan. So it's a good 2 inches difference in depth compared to this oil pan. And you can run with the Gen 3, but you need to have the proper matching pickup screen in order for that to work. So all available at tdmotion.com.